welcome again. So today I'm going to show you how we can use Yaskawa's monitor group to check the I/O status of your VFD. So we have different digital inputs like S1, S2, S3, S4, S5, S6, S7, S8. These inputs you use for your input commands, like you have to give forward command, reverse command, or you have to give speed command to VFD. So during those times you use these inputs, but at times we receive the calls from customers that they are giving the input but nothing is happening in the drive. So I'm going to show you a simple method. You can simply go to menu. In menu you have monitor group. So in monitor group you select the monitor group, go to standard monitors and go to U110. So U110 will come here. So U110, in U110 you can see there are 8 zeros. So these zeros show the status of the input terminal. So currently all the input terminals are off, and I have connected a wire here. So I'll show you. I have connected this wire here at the common, and I'm going to loop with uh, each individual digital input, and see if this happens, if this responds properly or not. Okay, so I'm connecting this to S1 now, and as soon as I connect to S1 you can see your last uh, 0 has turned to 1. If I remove it, it will go back to 0. Again, if I connect, it will be 1. Now I'm connecting it to S2. I'm connecting it to S2. So your second last 0 is done now. Now I'm connecting it to S7. You can see I've connected it to S7. So your like from the left hand side, second 0 has come up. So this is how you can simply monitor the I/O status of your input terminals in Yaskawa's A1000 or sorry, this is GA700. Similarly, the same feature is available on A1000 or other Yaskawa VFDs. Just the display would be different. Thank you so much.